Welcome to Duval Rebuilt Inspections, where you can have your salvage vehicles turn into rebuilt titles safely, quickly, and with peace of mind. To have a smoother inspection, we ask you to take a quick moment to watch our tutorial video. Upon arrival, please park in the designated areas for pre-inspection, which is color-coded with red, and come to waiting area, and let one of our staffs know about your arrival. We will start on final review of your paperwork and getting ready for your vehicle inspection. In the meantime, you enjoy our complimentary refreshments while waiting. Once we are ready for your inspection, we will ask you to drive your vehicle into one of our inspection bays. Please turn your vehicle off, leave the key on the dashboard, open the hood and trunk and leave the inspection area. Due to our policy and procedures, all inspections need to be performed behind closed doors. Once your inspection is done, we will ask you to remove your car from the inspection bay. At this time, please park your vehicle in the designated area for post-inspection, which is color-coded with green, and return to waiting area and wait for your final package. Quick tip: you can easily make an appointment by using our website, our Facebook page, or simply call our phone line. Please note that we require our customers to drop off their paperwork in person, by email or WhatsApp message at least one day ahead of your appointment date to allow enough time to carefully review your package and avoid any possible mistakes that will cause your package to return. If you prefer to drop off your paperwork personally, please park in designated customer and visitors parking, which is color-coded as blue, and come to waiting area to speak to one of our highly trained staff. Once you receive the final package, you can take it directly to your local tax collectors. Please be advised that trying to open and tampering with the rebuilt package will result in automatic failure of your package, and you must redo the inspection process again. Our goal is to be the leading private rebuilt vehicle inspection provider for the state of Florida, and we truly appreciate your business and looking forward to serve you soon.